up from the Case Details section. 2 buttons to the right, you'll find the Files button. Clicking on it will take you to the Files section of the case. This is where you can store all types of files and create documents related to the case. Keeping your documents organized within the case ensures the AI can provide you with the most accurate and effective results. At the top of the Files list, you'll notice 3 essential buttons. The first is the New Folder button, which allows you to create folders to organize your files neatly. Next to it is the New Blank File button, and finally the New File from Template button. When you click the New Blank File button, a window will appear, prompting you to enter a file name. Once you've entered the name, click the Create button. After the file is created, you'll be redirected to the File Editor. Inside the File Editor, you'll see the file name displayed at the top of the panel. If you need to rename the file, simply click on the name, edit it, and click away to save it automatically. This makes file management both intuitive and efficient. Now let's explore the tools available in the File Editor. The first tool is Font. Clicking on it reveals a list of fonts commonly used in legal documents. Select any font to apply it to your text. Next is Text Size, which lets you adjust the size of the text for better readability or specific formatting requirements. Beyond that, you'll find a variety of text formatting tools. When a formatting option is active, a green bar will appear beneath it. Exceptions to this are the text color and highlight color, which display the currently selected colors. Some key formatting options include bold, italic, underline, strike-through, and super or subscript. Additionally, you can adjust text alignment, create numbered lists, bullet lists, or checkbox lists. For further customization, you can use tools for indent or outdent, line spacing, and even add images or links. Other tools include options for inserting rules like line, double line, or dashed line. The Clear button removes all formatting from selected text, while the Page Break tool allows you to start a new page. For headers, you can select pre-configured options from your organization's admin settings under Document Headings. The margins of the page can also be customized here, ensuring your document adheres to office-wide formatting standards. Toward the end of the toolbar, you'll see the Print, Save, and Download buttons, straightforward and essential for finalizing your work. When you open another multi-page document, you'll notice the page count conveniently displayed in the top right corner, offering a quick snapshot of the document's length. For documents spanning multiple pages, dashed lines accompanied by page numbers clearly mark the start and end of each page, simplifying navigation as you work. Here's a quick tip. Checkbox lists are an excellent way to track pending tasks. For example, you could create a medical checklist to monitor documents you've requested but haven't received yet. Returning to the Case Files list, let's explore the final button, New File from Template. When you click this button, a selection of templates will appear. These templates are crafted within the Admin section, which we'll delve into in a separate tutorial series. For now, let's focus on the process of using a template. Simply choose the template that suits your needs and hit the Create button. A new document will then be generated, seamlessly incorporating all the relevant case details into the template's fields. If you notice any fields highlighted in red, it indicates either a manual entry is required or the corresponding case detail is missing, so you'll need to address those accordingly. That wraps up our tutorial on the Case Files section. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll dive into other exciting case features.